I was motivated to come to EHOVE to better myself for the career that I wanted. It's going to teach you kind of the basics of working in the marine trades. You get to see a little bit of everything from the mechanical, the engines, to the drive systems, to some of the electrical stuff. It helps you come out of this with a general understanding of all the different components on a boat so that you can kind of build on that when you actually get out into the field.
This is my friend Nate. Nate, why'd you come to EHOVE?
Good industry to get into.
It's really cool for me to see how school and work kind of mesh together. I'll learn things here that I can take to work and say, oh, I've seen that before because of, the topics that we've covered here.
Jake, why'd you come to EHOVE?
To learn about Yamaha outboards.
We're obviously a big boating area here on Sandusky, Catawba. There are little marinas and dealerships all over the place that are always looking to hire people. When you come from a program like this, you're that much better of a candidate, so to speak, because you have that base building block to help you move up.
Wanted to learn more about boats?
This is one of the most affordable courses that I've found. It's one of the only local courses that I've found, and the people here are going to take care of you and kind of help put those doubts aside when you come here and start to see the quality of education that you would end up getting. You should come to EHOVE to help further the skills that you may already have. Your future, your career.